Okay. So I think screen is visible. Visible dhanama theriyudha.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Actually, I already shared this slides in the
Okay,
group.
sir.
In the group share பண்ணிருக்கேன் already in the slides. Actually, if you
Ah,
know
okay.
if you know this table, then you can easily solve the problems. Equation reducible to standard types. Okay.
Ah, okay, sir.
For this is first column is the equations, the form of equation of the form. Second one is substitution. Third one is partial derivatives, and then how this form is reduces. Okay. So actually here p is always we need to combine with the x. Okay, p and x are together. Okay, similarly q and y are together. Sim- Similarly, here you can what do you have extra? Z, okay,
Z.
Z is extra here. Okay, next here Z is always with the P and Q. Z is always with the P and Q. Here P is always with the X, Q is always with Y. Here P is always sorry, Z is always with combined with what? P and Q. So from here to here, what is the some extra terms we have? X and Y. So that is the extra. That is the other form. Okay, other form of the equation. Next,
Yes, sir.
here already I told that P is always with what? X, and Z is always with what? P and
P.
Q. So X is at P, Y is at Q. So இது ஒரு group. So these are the mm, forms, form equations of the form. இந்த மாதிரி type தான் we will we, the problems are either one of the five types வச்சுக்கலாம் 1 2 3 4 5. Okay வா?
Yes.
Or if you take this is one type, this is the first type, this is second type, this is third type. Okay. Now how to give the substitution? Okay, so actually depending upon the value of m, n, k, we will choose the substitution. Okay, so
Yes.
what is m? M is power of x. Okay, m is what? Power of x. N is power of y.
I.
K is power of what? Z.
Z.
Okay, so when we need to find the value of m and k, okay, so when p power is 1 and q power is 1, then only we need to find the value of what? M n k.
M.
N k. Okay, suppose p is power 2, q power 2 is, then you cannot directly write the value of m and n. First, you should make it the power of p and q is 1 and then find the value of m and n. So that is the most important thing you should remember. Okay. Okay, this is the way to find the substitution. Okay, once you found the substitution, next to partial derivatives. Okay, so partial derivatives, we know that p, small p is what? Dou z by dou x.
Z by
This
X.
is small z. Okay, so here I am dividing by x, capital X, and multiplying by capital X. So okay, and then this is I'll take what? Capital P. Okay, you can see here capital P is either dou z by dou small z by dou capital X, or dou capital Z by dou capital X, or dou capital Z by dou small x, or any one. Okay, for this also I'll take capital P, this is also I'll take capital P, this is also I'll take capital P. Similarly
Yes.
q, dou small z by dou capital Y, or dou capital Z Y by dou capital Y, or dou capital Y by dou small y. This is q. Okay, we know p and q. What is small p and small q? Okay, Next, q is equal to dou z by dou y. Here I am dividing by what? Capital Y and multiplying by capital Y and then dou y. This is actually what? Here we have. This is capital Q. Okay. Then we need to apply these two. Okay. So actually, if we have only X in the substitution, I don't use Y and Z, then P only. This only I can use. This is enough. Suppose if I use the substitution X and Y, but I don't use Z, then we need to use both P and Q, the partial derivatives. Okay, next I will come to this P. Okay, so this P is what? Dou Z by dou X. Here, I am first to divide by capital Z and multiply by capital Z. Okay, and this is this dou Z by dou X is what? Dou capital Z by dou X is
P.
yes, here. Yeah, that is also P. I keep this one is as it is. And then small q is equal to what? Dou Z by dou Y. And divide and multiply by what? Is that?
Dou Z.
Yeah, is that? Okay. And this is nothing but what?
Q.
Q. Capital Q. Okay. So why I am multiplying here, multiply and divide by capital X? Why I am multiply and divide by capital Y? Why I am multiplying here capital Z? The reason is, when the substitution, I am introducing substitution X, I am multiply and divide by X. Okay, suppose if I use a substitution Y, I am multiply and divide by what? Capital Y. Okay, suppose if I use Z is a substitution, Z is a substitution, you should multiply and divide by what? Z. Here.
Capital Z.
Capital Z. Okay, so I in the substitution column, I don't use X and Y. Suppose if I use Z only, then you need to use the partial derivatives, this P and this Q. Because here I need to multiply and divide by what? Z, capital Z. ஒரு நிமிஷம் ரைட் பண்ணுங்கம்மா.
Yes, sir.
Please wait. Okay. I think what I explained here.
Yes, sir.
எது வரைக்கும் explain பண்ணிருந்தேன்?
Dou Z, sir. If
Okay.
only X and Y not given, only Z is given, what we have to do.
Z. Suppose if I use the substitution is Z, then we need to use what? P and Q. Okay. Next,
Yes.
this P and Q. When we will use this P and Q? Okay. Suppose if I use the substitution X and Z, then I need to first P equal to what? Dou Z by dou X. First you need to divide by Z and multiply by Z, and then divide by capital X and multiply by capital X. So here, this is what? Dou capital Z by dou capital. This is P. You should these two are I keep as it is. Similarly, Q is equal to dou Z by dou Y. Here I divide by capital Z and multiply by capital Z, and divide by capital Y, multiply by capital Y. This is capital Q. Okay,
Yes.
so when we use the substitution X and Z, we will use this P.
P and Q.
If we use Y and Z, we will use what? This Q only.
Alone, sir.
Okay. Now, just I will ask you, suppose if I use capital X only, then you will use which one? Which partial derivative?
First one, sir.
First one is enough.
P.
First one is enough.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. If I use the capital Y, then
Second one, sir. Q alone, sir.
this one. Okay. This is alone.
Yes,
This
sir.
alone. If I have used capital X and capital Y,
Capital X and
capital Y. So that means you should use both.
yes, sir.
Okay, wow. You told when I use x only means this, y only means
First,
this. Okay, wow.
yes,
Suppose
sir.
both x and y means both of them. Okay, wow. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Next, if I use only z, then
Only Z is second column P alone, sir.
p and q both, because here also I divide,
Yes.
multiply and divide, divide and multiply by z. Here also I have divide and multiply by what? Z.
Z.
So if I
Yes,
use
sir.
only z, you should use both.
P and Q.
Yeah, p and q. This. Okay, wow.
Yes.
Suppose next, if I use x and z, then we should use what? This p only.
Last column P alone, sir.
Yeah, this p, x and z, because here I am, here x and z means here I am divided by what? Z and can multiply by
Multiply by
z,
Z.
divide by
Yes.
capital X. Okay, wow.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yes. And if you use y and z means only q, because
Last
here
Q.
I, yeah, z and dividing z, multiplying by z, dividing
And
capital Y, multiplying.
and capital
Suppose if I
Y, sir.
use all x, y, z, then
All X, Y, Z in the sense
uh,
all
which one
first.
we need to use these two,
Okay, sir.
because x and z ನ சொல்லிட்டேன், x and z க்கு என்ன சொல்லிருந்தேன், I told this one,
First
y and
one,
z
sir.
க்கு, y and z க்கு this one.
Q.
So x, y, z னா both.
Both P and Q.
Yeah,
Yes,
both.
sir.
Okay, wow. Clear up?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Now, after the after introducing partial derivatives, after writing partial derivatives, now this form, these two forms are reduced to either type 1. This is what? Type 1. This is what? Type 3. Similarly,
Yes.
yeah, this form is transformed into either type 1 or type 4. This is a separable equation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this form is reduced to type 1. Okay,
Type 1.
so you should know this table thoroughly. Okay, now I will go to
Yes,
the
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first problem, solve x square p square plus y square q square equal to z square. Z square, this is z square. Okay, solution. I am throughout to divide by first z square. Why I am
Yes, sir.
dividing? Because if I divide by z, I have what? Xpz,
X and Y.
xpz, yqz. Because
Yes, sir.
here xpz, yqz. I can convert like this form.
Okay, sir.
That's the reason I am dividing by z square. X square, p square by z square
Plus
plus
Y square Q
y square.
square divided by Z square is equal to 1.
So now I told already, we need to find the value of m and m and k when p is what? P power is what?
T
P power is should be 1. Then only we should find the value of what? M
M
and
and N.
m and k. Okay, wow. So I will write x p by z whole square first. I will write this is whole square. Okay, wow. Plus y q by z whole square is equal to what? 1. Okay. Now I will rewrite. This is x z power what? Minus 1
Minus
p
by
power 1 whole square plus
Y Z inverse of Q
z
the whole
power
square.
minus 1 q whole square equal to 1. Now
1.
what is m?
M is equal to
Hmm. Actually, what I
minus.
no, actually M is what? Power of X. Okay, wow. M is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Power of X. K is what? Power of
Power
Z.
of.
And N is power of Y. So M
Yes, sir.
equal to 1 and N equal to what? N is power of Y, that is also 1. K is what? Power of
Ma-
Z. Z
Minus
is
one.
minus 1. Okay, now when M is equal to 1, what is capital X? Capital X is equal to what? Log X. Ah. So capital X is equal to log X.
Capital Y is equal to log Y.
Yeah, capital Y equal to when N equal to 1, capital Y equal to log Y. And K equal to minus 1,
Log Y, sir.
uh, log Y. Okay. When K equal to minus 1, K equal to minus 1, Z equal to log Z.
Yes, sir.
Capital Z equal to
Log small z.
log small z. Okay. Now, dou capital X by dou X. You can write this is equal to 1 by X. Similarly, next, dou capital Y by dou small y.
Y.
Dou capital Y by dou small y.
1 by Y.
1 by Y, and then dou capital Z by dou
Small
small
z to 1 by small z.
1 by small z. As I told, when we use the substitution capital X, capital Y, capital Z,
Yes,
we
sir.
need to use which partial derivatives?
Capital X and capital Y, yes, sir. Now we are
No, no.
using.
Actually, we are using all the three X, Y, Z. Okay.
Last column, sir.
Yeah. So we need to use which one?
Last table, sir. Last table P and Q.
Yeah, these two. Okay. This P and
Yes.
this Q, we should use it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell what is, uh, okay. If you tell, I will write the next page. Okay. So, what is small p? Small p equal to dou z by dou x.
OX.
You can easily write because here first what capital Z divide by capital is that multiply
Multiply
by capital Z
by dou
divide by
X.
capital X and multiply by capital X and then dou X, that's all.
Yes, sir.
So this is dou Z by dou capital Z. This is we know that capital P
Capital P.
dou X by dou X.
Dou X.
Okay. Now what is dou small Z by dou capital Z? This is nothing but what? Reciprocal of this
Yes, sir. Z.
Z. Z capital P. What is dou x by dou small x? 1 by x
1 by X, sir.
1 by x. Actually, this is small p. So from
Yes.
this, we cross multiply px
PX
by
is equal to Z into capital P.
by z equal to
Okay. Capital
capital.
P.
This implies p z power minus 1 into x is equal to what?
Capital
Capital.
P. Sir, here why we are bringing the Z at numerator, sir?
The reason is here you look at here x z power minus 1 p இருக்குல்ல?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to replace this by what? Capital P.
Ah, okay, sir.
Okay. Similarly, next you should introduce what? Q.
Q is equal to
This partial
dou Z.
derivative. Uh,
Yes, sir.
dou Z by
By dou Y
dou Y, which is equal to
equal to dou Z by
dou is
dou
capital Z,
capital Z into dou capital Z by dou Y.
dou capital Y,
Yes, sir. Into dou capital Y by dou small y.
dou small y. What is this? Is that
Z, sir.
what is
Z
this?
into capital Q
Uh,
into 1 by Y.
by Y. So now from this
So
directly,
Q
what is q z power minus 1
or
into
minus 1 into y is equal to capital Q, sir.
capital. That's all. Now, suppose actually you don't get th- this expression here, that means your substitution is wrong. Or
Okay, sir.
your substitution is wrong, or you choose the partial derivatives wrongly.
Ah,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes, you need to. Okay. Now, next I call this is equation number one. One. If I substitute this, what you'll get? Equation one implies capital P square
Yes, sir.
plus capital Q square is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
I call this is equation number
2.
2. So which is of the form function of P comma Q equal to 0. Actually, this is type 1 na?
Type 1, sir.
Type 1. Okay. So once you converted into type 1 or type 3 or type 4, then the problem is very easy. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
complete solution of equation 2 is
A square plus B square is equal to 1, sir.
இல்ல, capital Z equal to there you will write what? There you will
Cap.
write small z equal to there you will
Ah,
write there you will write what? Small z da?
yes, sir. Small z is equal to ax plus by plus c,
A
sir.
small x plus b small y plus c. Is it
Ah,
correct?
yes.
But
Yes.
here we are introducing capital Z, capital X, capital Y.
Ah,
So
yes,
that's
sir.
why you should write capital Z equal to A
Cap.
into capital
Ah,
X, B into small b into capital Y plus C, where A, B, C are arbitrary constant.
yes, sir.
Where here what is capital P? Capital P means dou capital Z by dou X.
Rho x.
That is nothing but what? That is equal to A. Va?
Yes, sir.
A. So similarly, Q equal to
Dou
dou
z, dou
dou
y
capital
is
Z
equal
by
to
dou
b.
capital Y. That is what? B. So if I substitute P equal to what? A and Q
A.
equal to B, then you'll get where
P
A square plus B
plus
square equal to
b
what?
to 1.
1. Okay, va?
Yes, sir.
1. So that is Z equal to capital Z equal to AX. What is B from this? Because you should write B is in terms of what? A or A is in terms of B. Okay, va?
Yes. B is equal to root of
Plus
1
or minus
minus a.
root of
1 minus a
minus 1 minus A square into capital Y
plus c.
plus small c. Okay, va?
Yes,
Is the
sir.
complete solution of what? Which equation?
Equation 2.
Complete solution of?
Equation 2.
Yes, correct. Complete solution of equation 2. Okay, now actually we need to find the complete solution of what?
Equation 1.
1. Yes. Complete solution of equation 1 is, so capital Z. What is the, we need to convert everything into small letter. Capital Z, what is the substitution? Log,
Log of.
log Z.
Yes, sir.
A. Capital X is what?
Log x.
Small x plus or minus root
Root
of
of
1
1
minus
minus a square into log of small y
log
plus c.
small y plus c, which is
Yes.
the complete solution of equation
Equation
1. 1. So problem is over.
yes, sir.
Problem is over. Now I am going to solve the same problem by another method.
Yes, sir.
Method.
Is that problem over within that, sir? Only complete solution we have to find, sir,
Only
of each.
complete solution. Okay, well, reduction. So these type of problem, complete solution is enough.
Okay, sir. We have to reduce to any one of the type and we have to find the complete
Actually,
solution.
we can reduce to type 1, type 3, type 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, method 2. So actually, the given problem is what? X square, p
X
square
square p square plus y square q square is equal to 1, sir.
is okay, z square. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in the previous method, I divide by what? Z square. Suppose if I don't divide by z square, suppose if I don't divide by z square, then xp whole square plus
Yp
yq
the whole square is
whole
equal
square
to
equal
z
to
square.
z square. Okay. Now, what is the value of m?
M is equal to 1.
N is
N is equal to 1. Z is equal to k is equal to 2, sir.
no. Actually, I told that k is always you should tell when it is along with
X and
along with p, okay, along with p or
okay,
along
sir.
with q or along with x and p or along with y and q, then only you can tell the value of q. Okay,
Okay,
well,
sir.
that is alone. Okay, well,
So it's 0.
there is no need to write k value. Okay, well, there is no
Sir.
need to write. You cannot find the k value.
Okay,
Just
sir.
m and nr you should find.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I call this is equation number 1. So now if m is 1, what is capital X? Table, again table.
M is 1 log x, sir.
Yeah, log X. N equal to 1 இருக்கும்போது what is capital Y?
Log y.
Log Y. Okay, now dou capital X by dou small x is equal to 1 by x. Dou capital Y by dou small y is equal to
1
1 by
by small
y.
y.
Okay, now I told that we using what capital X and capital Y only in substitution. Then in the
Yes,
table
sir.
we need to use which partial derivative?
X and y.
I told that when we use x, this is enough
When
because
we
here
use. Yes, sir.
divide by capital X, multiply by what? Capital X.
Capital.
Okay, if I have only y means this is enough. Here what? I divide and multiply by capital Y. When you use
Capital.
both x and y, we should use
First,
what? First two.
both.
This p and this q. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So small p equal to dou z
Do.
by dou x, which is equal
Yes.
to dou z
Do
by
by
dou
do
capital X.
capital Z, sir.
Dou capital X. Because I am introducing x தானே introduce பண்றேன்.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So capital X by small x.
Small x.
So this is equal to what is this? This is
1.
capital P. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is capital P. What is dou x by dou x 1 by x?
By x.
So cross multiply பண்ணா p small p into x is equal to
Capital Q. Capital P.
p. So I think I got this one. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, q is equal to
Q is equal to
is a
dou z by dou y is equal to dou small z by
I
dou
use the
cap
capital Y. Yeah. So dou capital Y
into
into
dou
the
capital Y
capital Y.
by dou small y.
Yeah, dou capital Y by dou small y, which is equal
That is
to this q
capital Q into 1 by small y.
by small y. So this implies
Y is equal to capital Q, sir.
qy,
Yes, sir.
qy equal to capital Q.
Capital Q. The
Now,
second. part of the
Yes.
equations.
Now substitute these two values in equation 1, we'll get what? P square plus Q square equal to small z. This is small z square.
Okay, sir.
One implies P square, capital P square plus
Plus,
capital Q square equal to, I will write this is a small z square. Okay, wow.
yes, sir.
Instead of writing this is small z, this is capital Z. Okay, so
Sir.
this is I will use, instead of this I will use this z. I call this is equation number 2, which is of the form, which is which is of the form, which is of the form what? F of capital P, comma capital Q, comma Z. Type number what?
Sir.
Type number
3, sir.
3. Yes, correct. Type number 3. Okay, type number 3. Okay, I think yesterday we solved type number 3.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if you suppose you, if you have a note, please take it. Then
Yes.
what is the first step?
Let z is equal to f of u, sir.
Let z equal to small z equal to f of u. Okay,
U where
correct.
u, where
Where
u is equal to x plus ay or ax plus y.
x plus a. There we use the small x, small y. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But here we
We
use
use
what?
capital X
Capital
and
X,
Y.
capital Y. So that's why capital X plus a into capital Y.
Capital Y.
Okay. Then 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 we used what? Small p r there.
Yes, sir.
Small p equal to what? Dou z by dou u
By
r.
2x.
Here
Ah, yes, sir.
capital P, because we
So you.
have capital P equal to
Yes, sir.
dou z by, or you can directly use dz also,
Yes, sir.
and
Q is equal to
capital Q equal to a into
dou z by dou u.
dou z by dou u. Yes, correct. Now you should substitute these two expression in
Yes,
equation
sir.
2. Equation 2 implies this is what? Dou z by dou u whole
Whole
square
plus
plus
a into dou z by dou u the whole square.
dou u whole square is equal to z square.
Yes, sir.
Now this is instead of dou z by dou u, I told that z is a function of u only. You can write what? Du
dz.
by, sorry,
Yes.
dz by
Z by du, sir.
dz by du whole square plus
Plus
a square
a
into
dz by du the whole square.
dz by d small z by du
The
whole
whole
square
square.
equal to z square.
Z square.
Okay. Now here what is common in the left hand side?
Dz by du the whole square, sir.
Dz by du whole square is common.
So 1 plus a
1 plus
square
a square
is
is equal to
equal to z square.
the square. Okay. Wow. So from
Yes.
this, uh, dz by du whole square equal to z square by 1 plus a square. Next slide.
Ah, yes, sir.
Dz by du whole
Whole
square is equal to z square by 1 plus.
1 by 1 plus a square.
Okay. From this, is that dz by du taking square root?
Yes, sir.
Dz by du is equal to z
Square root of
by root of
1 plus a square.
plus a square. Now you can write this is dz by variable separable. Z is one side and u is another side.
Yes, sir.
Du by root of.
Of 1 plus a square.
Okay. Now integrating, we get log z, log
Log
small
of
z
small z
equal
is
to
equal to
U
U
by
1 root of 1 plus a square.
plus B. Okay. Now,
Yes.
now, instead of U, we need to replace by what?
U Z, sir. X plus ay, sir.
Yeah, X plus A. So 1 by root of 1 plus
1
A,
a
A square
square into
in
x plus
capital
ay
X, capital X plus A, capital Y
plus
plus
b.
B. So which is the complete solution of what?
Equation 2, sir.
Yes, which is complete solution of equation 2. Okay. Now, actually, we need to find the complete solution of equation 1. For
Equation
this,
1
for this, you need to write the capital X and capital Y in terms of small x, small y.
small
So,
y.
therefore, complete
Solution of equation 1 is
complete solution of equation 1 is what? Log z, log z
yes, small z is
equal
equal to
1 by root of 1 plus a
plus
square into capital X is what? Log x, log small x.
log small x plus a into log small y
Okay, plus b,
u. Ah, yes, sir.
plus b. Okay, that's all.
Yes, sir.
So this is the complete solution of equation
Equation 1.
given problem 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll check the time. Okay, I'll solve one more problem.
Okay, sir.
This one. Okay, right. The second problem. Solve z square. Actually, this is small z. Z square into p square x square plus q square is equal to 1. So in the previous problem, method 1 is easy or method 2 is easy?
Method 1 is easy, sir.
Yeah, so if possible, okay, well, that means if there is any possibility to convert into type 1, you should convert into type 1.
Yes,
Okay, well.
sir.
So, okay, if there is no other possibility to convert 1 means, okay, you go for type 3.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so this is the given problem solution. So you can write this is z square, p square, x square plus z square, q square is equal to 1. You can write this is zpx whole square.
Plus zq the whole square is equal to 1.
Yeah, because the power of p and the power of q should be what? Then only you can
Yes.
find the value of m and k.
Yes,
What is
sir.
m here?
M is equal to 1,
Hmm.
k is equal, n is equal to
Hmm. Y is not here means y
0,
0, 0.
k is equal to 1.
K is equal to 1. Because actually y power 0 artham. Okay, wow.
Yes,
So actually z px is one group, y okay, z qy
power
is other.
q is another.
So y power 0, that is the meaning here. So if
Yes,
m
sir.
is 1, then what is capital X?
Log a small x, sir.
Log small x. If n equal to 0, then what is capital Y? Actually, y power, small y power, 1 minus n.
Yes, sir.
N. So n is what? 0. So this implies
Yes.
capital Y equal to y, small y. Next, when
Capital Z is equal to log of small z.
capital is equal to log of, no, that is when k equal to minus 1 இருக்கும்போது தான் capital is equal to log of z. When k equal
Ah,
to
yes.
plus 1, So this is z power 1 plus k va.
Yes, sir.
So that means this
K.
implies z
Small
power
z k square, sir.
small z power 1 plus k. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
1 plus k. Yeah, z power 1 plus k. So k is 1. So capital Z equal to what? Z square.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is dou capital X by dou small x? 1 by x.
X.
Okay. Now, similarly, what is dou capital Y by dou small y? 1.
1.
Okay. Similarly, what is dou capital Z by dou small z? 2z.
2z.
Okay. After finding this value, so here I'm using capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Next,
Yes, sir.
partial derivatives. Okay. What is the partial derivative? Small p.
Yes, sir.
Small
Small
p
p
equal
equal
to
to
dou z
dou
by.
z by dou x.
We are using all of them. So first divide by capital Z and then
Into
capital
dou
Z
z by dou capital
capital.
X into dou capital X by dou small x.
Okay, that's all. Now what is this?
Small,
Reciprocal of this are
yes, sir. 1 by 2z, sir.
1 by 2 Z.
1 by 2z into capital P
P. Uh, what is
into 1 by x.
into 1 by x. Okay. Now cross multiply cap small p into z into x is equal to capital P by 2 because you
Yes.
can see here z px irka.
Ah, yes, sir.
So I have z px is here. So that's why that is equal to p by 2.
Yes, sir.
Next q
Small q is equal to dou z by dou y
equal
is
to
equal to dou small z by dou capital Z into dou capital Z by dou capital
capital
Y
Y.
into dou capital Y by dou small y.
So capital Y by the
Dou
small
small
y.
y.
Okay. So now this is again 1 by 2 is that
Z into capital Q
uh,
into 1, sir.
1. Yes. So now cross multiply q z q into
Q
z
Z equal to Q by capital Q by 2, sir.
q by 2. Okay, check it whether we have q z here. Q is
Yes, sir.
now I call this is equation number 1. So equation 1 implies what you will get instead of 1 is that px is what p by 2. So p by 2 whole square plus is that q is what? Is that q is q by 2. So q by 2 whole square is equal to 1. Q by 2 whole square is equal to 1. Or you can rewrite this one p square
P square plus Q square is equal to
4.
4.
So which is equation number 2, which is of the form what?
Type 1, sir.
Type 1, which is of the form function of p comma q is equal to 0.
0.
Yes, type 1. Then complete solution of equation 2. Now
Sir.
complete solution of equation 2 is how to write in capital,
Small z.
capital
Ah,
Z
yes.
because here we used capital Z. Capital Z equal to A into capital X.
Capital X plus small b into capital Y plus
Uh,
C.
Okay, where we know that capital P is what? A. So A square,
Yes, sir.
and we know capital Q is what? B. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
A square plus B square equal to 4.
4.
So that is capital Z equal to A capital X plus B. From this,
B
what is B? Plus or minus
plus or minus root of 4
4
minus
minus A
b
square.
square, sir. Ah, yes,
B
sir.
square equal to 4 minus A square. Okay,
Yes.
into capital Y plus C
Plus c.
is the complete solution of,
Equation 2, sir.
yes, complete solution of equation 2. Okay, complete solution of equation 2.
2.
Okay, now we need to find the complete solution of equation 1.
Mm,
So
So
therefore,
it's equal to
complete solution of equation 1
1,
is
sir.
capital Z is what?
1 by z, sir.
No, capital Z is Z square. Okay, wow. Here, yeah, capital Z is Z square equal to A. Capital X is what?
Log
Yes,
x.
correct. Log small x plus or minus root of
Root 4
4 minus A square.
a
Capital Y is
square.
what? Capital Y is small y, yeah.
Yes, sir. Small y plus c.
Okay, so this is the complete solution of
Equation
equation
1.
1. Okay, so I'll check the time. Okay, actually this is now 8:15.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now actually we'll try to solve. Here I posted nearly 15 problems. Okay, wow.
Sir.
So try to solve some of the problems. Okay, wow.
Yes.
Still there is a method. That means here I converted into the given problem into type 1 or type 3. Is it correct? First
Yes, sir.
problem,
Type 4 we didn't do, sir.
type 4 still I don't convert. Okay, wow. So I will
Yes.
do that problem tomorrow. I'll
Yes, sir.
convert the given problem into type 4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and out of 15 problems, I will solve
Yes.
2, 3 problems, and then remaining problems I will give the substitution. You can try
Yes.
and solve later. Okay, ma. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.